What's going on, everyone? So today's video, I want to be installing the polyurethane steering rack bushings. The steering rack bushings that come with the Mustang are rubber. They wear out easily. And then since, a lot of these Mustangs are older, this one here is, over 20 years old. So thought I'd replace them because the steering is a little bit loose feeling. And with autocross, I don't like that. I want it to feel solid. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. All right, update, guys. So the steering rack bushings weren't as easy as I thought they would be. The passenger side was extremely easy. I got those in. I realized once I got to the driver's side that I was gonna have to take the steering rack out, meaning remove the tie rod ends, all that stuff. Take the front wheels off. I was going to try to do it to where all I had to do was unbolt those two mounting brackets where it's mounted, move it, pry it out enough to where I could get the bushings in, and then put it back. But the driver's side would not come out far enough to get the bushings in. So I had to take the wheels off, take tie rods off. While I was at it, if you remember me mentioning, the bushings on the sway bar were just completely shot, so I figured I would replace those as well. Ended up just removing the whole sway bar. Once I got to this driver's side, the head on this bolt was stuck. It's still hot because I just cut it. It was just spinning, so I couldn't get the nut off. The nut was just spinning the whole bolt. So I ended up getting it out of there. Had to order new brackets where it mounts, like where the bolt mounts. So you can see the one bolt's still there, where they mount up in there. Had to order new brackets for that because I messed this one up. Ended up having to cut the head of that off just to get that out of there. And so I've got bushings on the way. I got new brackets on the way. And I might just clean this thing up and I don't know, maybe get it powder coated. But this has turned into a massive project. So, like I said, I got the tie rods unbolted, but I cannot get that 13 millimeter bolt that's back in there, which, I mean, you got to go around this way to get to it. Cannot get that thing off of the steering column to get the steering rack out, basically. That 13 millimeter pinch bolt is on there. I use a torque wrench, give it everything I got, cannot get it off. So I've basically just been hitting it with penetrating oil, hoping that it will come out of there. Replacing these as well. I don't know what was going on with those, the tie rods for the sway bar, but they were kind of jacked up, so I got new ones of those since they were somewhat cheap. I got the sway bar off, bracket broke, had to use a cutoff wheel to cut the bolt head off to get the bracket off the sway bar. So I got both bushings off. I may go take this and get it sandblasted and powder coated. I'm still kind of undecided on that. But I finally got that 13 millimeter pinch bolt off of the steering shaft in there. Right in there, you can see the head right there. Let me point to it there. Hang on. Right there. So that was an exciting feat because I'd been working on that for days. But then I couldn't get the shaft loose from the rack. So I had to go on the inside of the car, unbolt the shaft from inside the car to get the rack to slide down enough to get this other bushing on. So I got both the poly bushings in there, and now I got the rack resting on the jack stand. They're both on this side over here too. So now I'm gonna try to put this fucker back on. and hopefully it goes back on smooth. I can get that stuff bolted back up, and then after that I'm just waiting on some bushings and some other parts before I can bolt the whole thing back together. I'll probably change the oil since the filter's right there, and it's easy to get to. So yeah, may, since the car's jacked up, may do coolant flush too. Haven't decided yet. I've just really been focused on this, and I think I've hit my limit on patience with this thing, because every single thing I try to fix, something else breaks or something else needs fixed, and this car is just costing me so much money. But I guess that's why they call it a project car. So I'm gonna get this steering rack back in, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. All right, guys, so steering rack bushings, the Prothane ones are on. Zoom in there, you can see them on there, and the steering rack is back on, but it's not bolted up. And I'm just going to conclude part 1 here. I know I said last time this is the beginning of part 2, but I changed my mind. I got a lot more stuff coming. I've got more bushings and other stuff coming, and I think I'm just going to conclude this video with having installed the Prothane polyurethane steering rack bushings, and we'll see you guys on the next video where I'll have some more stuff to install. Thanks for watching.